Hi, here we have an Raspberry Pi hat which is developed by NEEVEE technologies, which basically contains rich set of peripherals, something like it has starts with something like basic RGB LED over here. For example, here we have an RGB LEDs, red, green, blue LED, which has been which can be used to make three colors of LED lighting over here. This is the RGB LED, which is connected on data pins D8, D7 and D9 over here, which is something like D6, which will be get connected over here of the Raspberry Pi connectors. Raspberry Pi connector is the Raspberry Pi connector is present over here, and for example, if suppose we wanted to check the D6, which is an connected for a red LED, is an IO pin 22, and the green is for IO 23, and we have the blue LED is for a green 24, IO 24 accordingly over here. And apart from this, we have the rich set of peripherals, something like Si7006 temperature and humidity sensors, and we have an MCP4725 digital to analog converter, and we have an MMA8652 accelerometers, and we have an BH1745 Ambient Light Sensor, and we have something like TCA8418, which is a Keypad Controller over here, and also we have an optional connectors to add an LCD interface to it. For example, this is the LCD interface, a connector over here, which is in black color. Over here we can connect an OLED LCD display over here, and we can explore that display applications accordingly over here. This program is basically provides how can we write embedded Python programming for all these devices for this Raspberry Pi hat developed by NEEVEE technologies over here. Let's get started and move around with the embedded Python programming for RGB LEDs and various peripherals like light sensor and keypad sensors. Looking forward and we'll get started over here.